Missionary journey.
Paul's third missionary journey, circa 53 to 57 AD, was a massive church building and pastoral campaign. Starting in Syrian Antioch, Paul spent about 3 years teaching in Ephesus, igniting a silversmith riot, and traveling through Macedonia and Greece before ending in Jerusalem, where he was arrested. Through Asia Minor to Ephesus, Galatia and Phrygia, Paul began his journey by revisiting and strengthening the churches he established in Derbe, Lystra, Iconium, and Pisidian Antioch. In Ephesus, Priscilla and Aquila along with Apollos were doing the missionary work. Apollos traveled to Corinth in Achaia, and Paul arrived at Ephesus. Paul based himself in this major commercial hub for more than 2 years, teaching daily in the lecture hall of Tyrannus, which helped spread the message across the entire Roman province of Asia. Letters written during his time in Asia Minor and Ephesus, Paul wrote 1 Corinthians. Paul sent Timothy and Erastus ahead to Macedonia. Due to the riot started by a silversmith named Demetrius, Paul left town quietly and went to Macedonia, where he traveled to Philippi, Thessalonica, and Berea to encourage the churches there.
2.
Macedonia and Achaia. While in Philippi in the autumn of 56 AD, Paul writes to Corinthians. He traveled down to Greece, Achaia, likely staying in Corinth for 3 months. In the early spring of 57 AD, Paul writes his letter to the Romans.
3.
Troas, when a plot against his life was uncovered, Paul traveled back overland through Macedonia accompanied by his companions, Sopater from Berea, Aristarchus and Secundus from Thessalonica, Gaius from Derbe, Timothy from Lystra, and Tychicus and Trophimus from Ephesus, and sailed to Troas. Paul spends a week in Troas. There, he miraculously restored a young man named Eutychus to life after he fell from a 3rd-story window.
4.
Assos. The next morning, Paul leaves on foot for Assos, while his companions, now including Luke, the writer of the Acts of the Apostles, set off by ship to Assos.
5.
Chios. Paul and his companions meet up at Assos and continue by ship to Mytilene. The next evening they anchor off the island of Chios. The day after, they cross over to Samos, and the following day they arrive at Miletus.
6.
Miletus and farewell. Wanting to reach Jerusalem by Pentecost, Paul sailed past Ephesus but summoned its elders to Miletus, delivering a farewell address where he warned them of impending hardships.
7.
Return to Jerusalem. Despite repeated warnings from believers along the way, Paul sailed down the coast of Phoenicia and journeyed to Jerusalem, where he was soon arrested, ultimately leading to his transfer to Rome.